During lockdown, we've learned how to use team features like interacting with your team members by typing as a chat, using audio calls, video calls, sharing your screen for collaboration, sharing files. We've learned how to organize files between different projects or teams. We've invited external people from our organization to join our team, and we've shared files with those people. Now we're going to add D365 to our team, and it's going to allow us to track all of our interactions with our customers. It's going to show us the things that we have to do today. It's going to show us insights into our customers, insights into our opportunities, things that we can follow up on. Inside Teams, in order to add D365, we need to click on the Apps button, and then we're going to search for Dynamics 365. Once you've found the app, you're going to click the Add button, and this will download and add the D365 to either a particular team or to your teams as a whole. You may be asked to sign into your Office 365 account. Once the app is installed, you can click on the Settings tab to select the environment and the D365 app that you would like to start with. Here, I'm connecting to my own personal D365, and I'm going to use the Sales Hub. In the Sales Hub, the My Dashboard at the top is also my Home button. This will show me tasks that are related to leads and opportunities that I'm working on. At the bottom of the screen, use the Hamburger button to see the menu within D365 to see accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities, etc. Use the ellipse to select different areas if you want to switch over to the accelerator setup, for example. The search button at the bottom of the window opens a categorized search. This allows you to search across multiple record types or entities at the same time. Here, Alpine is showing me accounts, contacts, and opportunities all related to Alpine. The Task Flow button is used to access flows that are determined by your system administrator. This will ensure that people follow the same steps and have consistency across the data entry. Launch the Insights Assistant with the light bulb that is at the bottom of the screen to see notifications of tasks that are assigned to you or things that should be followed up. Use the vertical ellipse to access the Quick Create menu, the Help, the Settings, the User Information, and to connect and share. That's the D365 Community Feedback website. Time for a demonstration. We're going to switch over to my teams, and we're going to add the app. Here we are in Teams. I've already clicked on the Apps button, and in the search box, I'm going to type Dynamics 365. Select the app. In the drop-down, I can choose to add to a particular team, or I can just add the app itself. D365 is connecting now. And I can click onto my Settings button. And I can see my different environments. I'm going to select my personal D365, and I can see my different areas. I'm going to pick my Sales Hub. Switching from my settings to my dashboard, the dashboard opens at my home page. The home page shows me the work that I have that's due regarding my leads, my opportunities. I can filter this based on due dates, record types, activity types. I can show the scores to see what's hot, what's not, who to work on first. Switching to the hamburger button, I can then see what I usually see in D365. I can slide up and down between my accounts, my contacts, my leads, my opportunities, etc. I can switch to the app settings. I can switch over to the insights. I can get help. I can switch over to Google Maps, which is an add-on that I've added to my D365. Working my way across the bottom of my buttons, the search button takes me to the categorized search, where again I can key in what I'm looking for. I'm going to look for Alpine, and it's going to bring back the accounts, the contacts, the opportunities. Any record that has Alpine in it is what's going to filter through here. I can add filters here so I can only look at particular pieces of information, particular entities, if I want to. Moving to the task flow button, my system administrator has given me a flow for following up with opportunities. I'll pick my opportunity and work my way through the wizard. So here I'm going to say that the customer need a new lighting solution. And the wizard walks me through. Moving to the assistant or light bulb, I will then be shown notifications for my day. I have an opportunity that's close date has passed, and if I had any tasks for today, they would be shown as well. As we saw in the PowerPoint section of today's webinar, the vertical ellipse shows us the quick create menus, the settings, the help, the user information, and the link out to the D365 community for help or feedback. Now that we've fallen in love with Teams and we have Teams running all the time, we can now fall in love with D365. Within Teams, then all of my data, all of my interactions are in one place. I can chat with my coworkers, I can share files with people, and I can track my customer interactions. I can see all the work that's due for my particular day. Now that we have seen all of the different tools available inside Teams from D365, we know that we can use the home dashboard to see today's tasks and follow-up items. We can search across multiple entities. We can follow standard task flows. We can use the D365 Assistant for insights. I hope all these tools will show you how powerful the D365 in Teams can be, and how easy it is to fall in love with Teams within D365.